Hello po, kumusta po yung lahat? Ito na po si MJ'S TARAON nagsabing Food is Life. Welcome po sa aking channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment for any suggestion. And subscribe to my channel today and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos to come. Ang lutuin po natin ngayon ay Chicken Char Sui or Chicken Barbecue. Mix all the ingredients and marinate for 5 hours and bake for 45 to 1 hour with 190 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, check natin yung chicken. Ang daming oil. Just reduce oil half. Bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, here we go, our Chicken Char Sui or Chicken Barbecue. Enjoy! Itong recipe ni MJ'S TARAON na Chicken Char Sui or Chicken Barbecue ay pinaka-simple, masarap at pinakamurang ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share my videos and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. God bless.